Ogun Obaseki. Nonsense. Now me go open my brother eye today. He don't use our battire. With me, myself, of my Obazee. Obaseki. Obaseki na iki about career. Mona share, mona invite about come here now. Wait, now they watching. Wait, we can end this broadcast no now. APC, if you dare here, share am. If you don't share, how you want to break Obaseki wings? How? Umaha. Men go do this and they'll see and they'll say, Obaseki na machine no. Go kill this. Why? I be APC, we no share. If na second no share. Come on now. I'm not doing saga. The reason why I was saying that share it because of so that Obaseki will see this video. That's the main reason. Share the video so that Obaseki will see this my live video. But I'm in America, I'm in my kitchen now. My brother Abad have been working for Governor Obaseki for the past how many years? Obaseki ki Abad career. Obaseki make Abad not to grow. That man is a useless person. I don't know. But the only thing he do Abad go on fight. Not be Abad clear. Abad come the trauma they give Muna normal level. Every Munak Oba Bini, Oba talk where he said. Oba Bini na everybody know. Now understand. Oba na my papa and my mama. Oba na my own. I think go Bina way bad as I will come up for before we come up for Nigeria. If Oba they do Igwe, we they go there. We will go flex. Everybody will go there. If me go Bini now, I'll go Oba Palace. I'll go drink booze for there. I'll go flex. You don't know. They worry you. You don't know. Abba now. For us, I want to talk say, why you nobody be Ogyomba. You don't understand. Nobody be Ogyomba. Now that say now Obaseki be useless animal. And that my brother wait to say he go school, he go so in a senior man. But he don't they get her, he don't know. So me want open his face now. Obaseki they use that back. Mrs. Bessie Obaseki! Obaseki lare. I'm gonna share this video now. I want a video now. Wait, Mike, cut this video. Please share this video. I want to see your comments. Drop your comment. Somebody just say, Christopher say, Jacob, Christopher say, smart, Don Sakaka. Okay. Drop your comments. Mona Sharon. Now me give you an order. Now Mona Sharon. Make Obaseki sian. The truth are going to be told. Obaseki don't use that bat for many years now. Baba. This is why Abba not the truth talk. Abba not the truth too. He know. But you know what talk? Say me not get shoot Obaseki. Oh go Obaseki. Oh go. I that Obaseki. This is my house. No, you don't feel bad. One saga. I'm good by you. And I'm a vision here in Nigeria. We are hammer bats. No, ya fupe. Umame police in Irame. Umame police in Nigeria. Umame no tinunia. But we are loving ya. A government will come. You'll give your rich people Florida. Oh, you Zamere. When near war we live video. Oh man, we not love Obaseki the 8 years. Anyway, video. Appointment yagate bahwe. Obviously, to Ozambere or ka collect yankiri nabati. But every video. Egbi na Obaseki. Bonyoka collect appointment before our bat. Iya kere na bat or iya rene 30 nelke sobo. But any Facebook iya ro but he has support Obaseki. But our penalty gare, he has collected before Abba. And Abba will be now. Oh. And how bad everyone born him. And how bad people they follow. And now because of how bad they support Governor Obaseki. Because of how bad fight. People they when they support I mean no, but when they pay me say they don't they talk. Now only one they talk. Now only because of how bad they follow Governor Obaseki. But when police will come, they don't will give her bites. They forget to say Abba get followers. Because if Abba at their office, he go visit position in followers, in Facebook people where they follow, people in friends where they follow. He go visit position and say, Baba, may you did this corner. The only fight, go no Obaseki or go kill you. Ogo here Governor Obaseki. We now not seen for many years. We now made a vision danger. We must be for 80 for Governor Obaseki. You don't come on now for Governor now. You want to conquer our party. Get out by way go UK. Who tell you say Abba like abroad? Now my brother know where go reach the pants, go reach the bosses. How many years it takes senior me? My accountant. If you not seen me for 5 years, so I know him. You didn't feel me so. No, and I doubt if it's something for 5 years. I doubt. No, you not reach 5 years. You not reach. No, you not reach 5 years when you take senior me. 5 or maybe 5 years. When you take senior me. Because the senior son. So I don't very close. So that time when he did 15 years, I did 10. So that time when he did 20, me did 15. So don't tell me say I don't know her. I don't know my brother. So now where they answer that? They say, I'll 20 America, I don't know where I'm going. Because what man is there? You people don't know me. You people only see me on social media talking about my brother, but you people don't have no idea. You people don't have no idea. All you people does is just like you people send a message to him. Oh, it's your brothers, man, they're talking about you. What? Hey, I wanna people talk trash, but people can never do a live video. No, you will not do live video, but you would like to send a message to him, but you will never do a video. Never. You will never do a video. How bad? You be correct person, you are funny for the Edo, you are funny for everything, but you people will not do video, but it's only you one that will do a video. It's only one. And what is painful is that Obaseki now do a governor. If Obaseki wife, when I'm back, even do show that follow for Obaseki Stadium. Obaseki wife, nothing tell Obaseki say, make your great and bad. Say this guy na Euro. It doesn't not be this are bad. Your career go bafuka. Now Abba now they make any party when Abba now they do for Europe now, men they come. Because people like Abba, but they don't want to talk. Because of Abba, they will come. Crowd will be there. Now Abba now they give you safe land now for Europe now. But Abba they use what kind? Useless Audi. Useless Abba not get out for UK. Abba they make a person give you money. May you pass for UK. Obaseki. May give you money. May give you money. Obaseki, if you not give me money, I know what follow you. Ha! Don't follow someone that are billionaire now. You don't know. They are billionaire. Contract with it. People when go. I don't talk Bafuka. When I share this video, I say now me go open my body high. If you like me, like me. If you like me, hate me. Wait till I why even use like it. He lied. Don't be lying and give me booze. See booze for my free Sam. Sam, yes, understand. See booze. Wait, man, not one bottle. See you. Oh, go on, Obaseki. My brother, oh, super, Oba talk where he said, me I do man. I wait till make they talk, everybody vibrate. I was wait to say, and they vibe for Oba. They no get level reach me, oh. I got name, oh. I got men, oh. Men for my phone, oh. Now I'm not a pay voice record. The way people say they coming for that business, my number said no. If we see anybody for your house, or let's say you don't call us, keep my one your world. Anybody we see for there. But men play voice recording, man, no, now. There are many of my phone. My number said, my one your weather. In my one the they go learn anything. No, say this one now somebody's house. Now we go. A record all free for me, but he play. On my set, he play. But they about him all play. He play. All for me for me. Because when about our studio, very much. As people say they brag for face say a rap at me. Now some people they call my phone steady how far. We there, no shaking, we there. Nobody who there. Everybody there, nobody don't come, everybody there. There many for area. How far? When I give you 6 cartons, when I booze. When I go that corner for them, when they booze for there. I brought say they are calm, but nothing happen. No shaking. Make them calm. Hey, worry you. I don't mind. I will use 10 million to make sure say they do any will cause a part for that state. This side will be bloody. This side. Now few people call him for that time. Few. Maybe government workers. Yeah, we go. Small mistake. We all cause one part. Come on. Then now few people call them few. Everybody will get investment. They sell land. They all come on. They don't see anything. They all because of one thing. Everybody because of one thing. We all come out from one part. This part that blood this side. This one, make few people did that time. Maybe they flow. Not say with the black. Not say with the point. But maybe. I not be person. You say. He will do live video. I'll call they play people voice record. No, I'm not they play people voice record. Even for security for a dog state, person when will give for the full adult security. Now my paddy, now my chama, now my pa. How you want to say go smart Obazee has? Apart from my bad, they don't say about the trauma, but they know me. Where they don't know me too about. They don't fair know me before Abbat. They know Abbat for Ekuma. I say no, but they don't know me since. And I'm a excuse for that state. So I walk over there, go my house. And I bought the cause trouble. No, I'm not good man. See, no, I'm not good there. And I want to wait you can they give the problem. Call us from home because hey, don't go there because most of them they are my people, they are my friends, they are my brothers. So that time the they free enter. That one they give the people no be there. Everybody know. Everybody know. So that one where you can't and then they give the people. They're not like this. Now that one you they give the family people. But don't forget. People will put for security. All my friends for that for those states. All those are the demolition people. They are my friends. If I call them, I just have they don't call, they don't pick. Because they feel that they view me. We'll say no, I don't want to talk for smart this time. I don't want to hear my this thing. After that, they will just we'll talk, we'll laugh. And then there will be security for that state. Now people will power them. And they will be my party. So I am going to go back. You go back. I don't go back. Hey, what are you? What if you think I'm waiting to fight? I will change out to Agbo. I be don't know. Now you know what see the fight. I be don't see my video. Wherever video you make. Hey, worry you. Obaseki keys man. It doesn't even say no, it's my mother. Let me say they brag. I don't brag. He brag. Let me say they brag. Because of Obaseki, my brother have been in politics. He have been working with this man of Obaseki. Most times, he say that he even sell the land. These boys have sacrificed. They are assaulting his parents. These boys are 5 people that want to ban Obaseki. But Obaseki do not even know what this boy is doing for him. This boy is saving him. But Obaseki will never reward this about one day. That's my fascination. He have never helped you once. They will carry her back, go court. They arrest her. Different thing happen to her back. But nobody fight for her. Obaseki now they wear suit. They carry neck. They do like this. You know what? You know, speak people English like this. Oh, you know I do. We can fix it though. You know, the kind of government they have now. Or the way they're doing, you know, I'm not in the government. God, go sit down for that. Obaseki is a boy. Now, some of the Obaseki family, they go abroad. He go learn how to read, how to, as a vocabulary. Wa salo, wa agbe, wa gbon. Ogun bela gbiju. Wa, Obaseki na le we omo. Era me aro wa. That time when they come. My papa, not be saying a joke. Now they are about to talk here. My papa, mama, na train us. You hear me so? My papa, my not something there. My papa they call Obazee, okay? My papa skin full where when would they come? Now my papa they call it business for 4. My papa is a rugged man. For that full area, nobody they talk to my papa. My papa not be gentle person, no. No, my papa not be pushover. No be pushover. For the full community, I know my papa. I go the egg one, go the egg one. Era wa buwa ajewa, odo buwa wa. That's my papa be. You can't figure. Oh buwa ajewa, odo buwa wa. I win your Obazee. First, maybe you don't hold down. Way back. My papa, I shall rasso. My papa, you go, my papa. Who's you? Because you don't hold. Way back when they come upon a show man. Many of my friends say, oh, bua. Not be a joke. He born different picking. One inside they find trouble. He don't talk, tire. Over any man, why we know you? And he probably educate as so young baby in the UK. How? The man don't talk. He don't even do voice record. He man get marry no. Over any man, why we know a man? That kind of man that you come go attack him. Baba, I go attack your papa, attack your mama. That time you can't know say not be say you dey fight for the Benin and we can't change that to Agbo. When I have been now wearing there, and I'll go for the next 2 weeks. Actually, been now when I saw and I did very rally near to where 2 have been now. When you show we are not to say anywhere but what iya will kwa. Who's swore? I'm sorry, talk say. And they fear not my DNA. I don't talk about video. In one day, not just say, man, I like tradition. You get Obaseki so many have so never help you. And our monarch, I love her so much. Oba, I talk where he say. Every monarch there me, I go down. I love my monarch. Now Obaseki on done. Now, Obaseki would look at us say, man, you better say our monarch. Now, Obaseki be Muda, not be our Oba. Obaseki Muda, but don't. Nobody wants to Obaseki go carry the kuta bats. You know, say our bats right from time. Our bat not the say papa, you know they say mama. Okay, make I use them. Those are when you have power. Then they say papa, say mama. You know if you use those ones, it call a user part. Now what did happen so? Those are people who follow and not come out. You know if we use them. Abat not the same as mama. So me use Abat. Now with this. How Obaseki, Obaseki. Who the way a monarchy man, Abat talk for say. Who are you? Ramuna people say our God now everybody lawyer. Am I be what? Am I be Obaseki? A monarchy or existing. Am I be what? Am I a monarchy existing? Am I politics? To a guania, a more da. Why give me respect? My social media. Even when our papa, where you born herself, never throw mat one day. They don't be control. But the picking when they born, or to say, see me see internet, and they are born, they will call it trauma. They give their papa problem, their mama problem for house. For no reason. They're going to give the problem. They're going to give the problem. They don't born. What do they want to do? They want to. Man will get more than 5 children. My papa born boys. We each like one call it. The one who is swimming a boy. I'm left on the Eric. He pay me. Say back for Libya. The student say that 5 matter. The family I don't finish the 6. But the young go live there. I don't want to talk about that. But I will fit talk. But anytime I talk about my brother, my body will issue say, you go live there. Not be saying that people say no now. Those one family, I for don't pray the since all of them for don't avoid taxes since money. But the young go live there, I also say normal level, but he go talk about. I don't want to talk about that because I get reason. Because that's about the issue for brain. The because that kind of maruba. To say it now, he go talk about say la re. Anyway, who na with a color fella, very slim, very tall. Now he fine pastor. All of our family, he get 2 people, very slim. But don't be. I don't want to go to the area. So my papa born boy, let me say, would they try for abroad? They abroad. No of my papa children they Nigeria. Would they abroad though? Everything they. We go to say, but may you leave saga. We want correct money come aside. May you take contest for. May you contest about the saga. We don't talk to all this issue. I have to tell you, okay, if I want contest, when you saga, maybe if I want push of contest, me go put money, go gather money, it was okay. Maybe gather 100,000. As more gather 100,000. No. But more gather money give about. Make them do election. Make it start saga. Now, when I never come out, one day come out see where you want 5 put. But leave Obaseki. Obaseki go kill your career. Look for one position, make you 5 put. But ask for Obaseki, I will give you 5 million naira. Cash. But when I ask for fair put, when I this one, look for one position, 5 put. But smart Obaseki, I will give you 5 million naira cash to take sponsor it. May you your day office. No where you will saga. And you didn't know May you your day office every day. I can say, my brother, your day one office. So, and I like your day one office now. Now government say, that one gonna give me joy. I brought out the office though. Now suits the way down. Obaseki don't want to allow you when you grow. But me, it's my Obaseki. I don't hate you. You don't see me like you. I don't see what I told. The rest of your junior brother, they are like puppets. They don't talk. Now everyone they talk. I want to make you don't like me. The rest be like puppets. I see your talk. No one will tell you. But me they talk. I want to make you don't like me. You don't understand? But me tell you now. Found position contest, bros. Contest with your level. Baba, me go support you with 5 million naira cash. And the rest go support you. May you win for the election. When you come in, enter one post. Don't be social media. Don't be meet and greet. It gets what kind of people, bros. May I tell you something? You don't know this smart Obazee. I know maybe I talk of Facebook. You know this always talk one, they say, all those people, we come about say, put for security, see them and they come where they come. May I tell you something? Most of them, they America for you. Then they come America, where? Well, now let me one, they know so they're America. Okay? Things they where you don't know, bros. Things they where you don't know. People, they laugh you for bad. Even for America for you. Let me day. Bad. Can you how they want me to talk to your matter? They know I don't like her. If I did garden, say I did party. But I can't. I haven't met one boy for Atlanta because of you. I can't go one party. The person see me. So I was like, I don't remember you to. That your brother have bad. They fuck up. Oh, the way they do. Obaseki. Although what's the boy turn out true to? Obaseki way no help her. You see the fight. Now that guy tell me. But don't say that boy mention my brother name. Oh, no, because my brother, I come that party. I come to the guy, say, what's the bother you? I did party, they mention my brother, and I come here, because my no verse. See, he just see me, he tell me, say, something like that, say, but I don't like him. I remind you of that. Because say you talk about that, if for all the yes laugh for back, say, I fuck, come for you, you know, so, please, my people, look on and see they help me. They talk to our bad. Obaseki will kill the career. Obaseki don't get here for Abba. I will tell him. Abba, if you like. But I said this video may see. I'm not coming for me. Who shall be say senior brother? And that brother will fuck up. And that brother come see. And that brother name. I tell you, we worry you. I be your brother. You use age. They senior me. Now I be the level. My papa first born you before they born me. Now be the level. My papa the house. Hey, worry you now. You senior me, I'll give you seniority. You're like Kofra. You first need joy. Normally, Baba, you first need joy, no. Now you my papa first born. You first need come outside before me. I will respect you, but if you don't take that respect, I'll call them mess them up. You gotta be like Kofra. Okay, you first need joy cuts. You senior me. Now me call it out late join. Then you call it oppress me. Say I'm not going to rotation, I'm not going to swing. It get where you will do rich. If you say that your seniority, you don't like her. I go bust your head. Me way you join. I go maybe you don't do 5 to 10 years old inside or 15 years old. I go bust your head with bottle. Man way they'll say, you know what they'll say? He don't know himself. Now what's he make you bust your head? He don't old boy, don't know himself. You know, that's how a senior man, but they fuck up. Now, what did happen? Now, what did they say by your to this issue? Because now, when you were the oppressed, you don't know yourself. This one say, I don't take cover for more than 20 years old. Hey, Alpha, give me your phone. Hey, give me your wallet. You come, you say, hey, you will not get rotation. You come, Mugu yourself to give me your wallet. Now, you swap. Stop the way you go slap. You will see not in rotation. The second will tell you to say, one of why is allowed. You understand? So that's how it be. Elder brother, where the fuck up, we don't know you safe. Now so you know they do one. Now when they come correct himself, you don't call it respect. Baba, 8 years of Governor Obaseki. Obaseki no about that part one day. So shameful. I go say, Obaseki man, Igbinanedo. Obaseki mawe video, not away. I hear go number. Obaseki mawe video near about. It Dr. Pedro mawe video where I hear go number. One of the Obaseki output ya bati. In your mawe video where I hear go number. The funniest thing, all those people when they hide their head, they get money pass you. They get lawyer, they get police, they get everything pass you. You don't know. Oh, where will be now? I pray. Governor Obaseki don't fit call any police for those things may they help you. Now little people now people have the chief of security staff in those things. Now if the governor, if commissioner not listen to that, oh people go push. Bring another one. You never forget. See that's what they do. You don't forget. You don't forget. Obaseki ne esenu mebuge nagayaseo agbuwe yeseo esenu bugbe ogbokan Obaseki Albert where Obaseki we say inya continue am every day by day era security Obaseki we say when we bundle, you don't have any supporting now, no level. Ogon Obaseki. Obaseki. When we are not bad, it will not be well with you, with your entire family. Me also am go of Ohuenia. Obaseki, when we are not bad, when we are not about it, Obaseki, I actually issue, I don't need to everywhere, I just think, but it's about the party. Where Obaseki where the Facebook? Obaseki where the Facebook when you have me a privé me or a ramen or a Facebook or a Facebook. Obaseki where beg we are a gay boy now. A boy now umani your bonnet one day. Sometimes it go tell Facebook that is, you know, go babe. You marry a bonabat now. If you give her bag will great past this level. You know fit. No, for you no. Are you threatening? How about if you don't come that party, that's all one fight you. Imagine. Are you threatening in the UK? Say me no come that party, say they say they want beat her. How? Bros, you will did that voice record. They say you're now this one. Me they tell you now, maybe they call smart Obazee. If I know your picture for that UK, they will peace for that UK. And if I know your picture, if I know you, me and you na enemy, you better say you decrease. Or you will go here and be that way. Where you will say the call here, call my fire, call this one, to a talent. A bathroom, home. A camera man show so he poeti I push you well at West one so and you really man a camera away at Bogo. I can push you when you went back so I'm going home. But yet quietly for another party for them. Where that's always one beside the quad. You get bad. You don't see me. And they do like this, they don't bust on. Camera there, but camera not push up on. Now when you see the camera, they will just say, see, I ain't doing. Now when the camera show you see. And you come up with some bathroom, and you know how you bust you. How you want to know? I will full sue you. I don't know what I'm doing now. You just come outside, yo. Hey, Jacko. Oh, boss, Harry Paro. And the PV. You're there, your talk, live into. Haba, no come Manchester. It will say, I know, I will come fight you. I will even beat you. You get lost and not the UK, you will make that kind of video. Say, Ibro said that they say you come. Say you know who talk here. But that video where you see, they'll say that I'm going to connect and I couldn't do that video that day. I'll tell those guys, say, they call on you. I do one. Alpha most the corner. I said, most smoking. I will do one corner. Me also have a country where a camera. So if I'm where you can camera here. Now by talk for social media, now by rant, fear will let you 30 minutes. This my Obazee, and I country now. Ni bura mi jua jiwa. I don't know about it. I we're catching up already. That about it. Don't I say ya move today? Oh, call the police. If you dare, I can't tell you're texting me whether I know call New York. And texting me whether I know call you New York. Even if I don't call New York, people waiting for the because how far you go ahead or no know this boy for Florida. Now they control Florida. Now they all one for Florida. Full of Florida. Now they control. No, people know. Now they control. So don't go down here. People know where. People will go fight you. There are too many boys. You will know that. Now we're getting where. Now they will tell you for the full Florida. Now me they control. Now me get his own. Now me create them. Make on bless them. See. The control comment, now meet them with everybody. Comment where they ask for the phone pastor. And you come abroad. I don't want to do scarcity again. No. Now me press I want to do one once me, eh? Every Saturday night with the runner. Now me go coordinate everybody. More than 30, 40, 50. I know, now you be now you be high. You don't let me know. Because now from there, they create what are you? They code for me. So you're my own guy. So you code. They go now so they comport everybody. Come on. Now I check my come for my client and I say, smart don't come for everybody. Oh yeah, more give her all one for free that. Now be. No understand. Now be. You don't say on the do it. Say Obaseki now they come from America. The kind squads can't put where they go gather from Florida. They go reach 100. They go not be when they do show for Israel or no now. If Obazee they come America now, says for Obazee I beg, give me glory for America. I be Obazee governor Obazee. I'll tell you Obazee come. Florida, may you not worry, I'll give you level. People will go there with the Obazee, not be sad, they sad feet. They will reach 100 Nigerians. Obazee will be popular. I will make her popular for America. Because any country where they go, how far Obazee will come, no, don't be hard and feed. You'll see population. You'll see population. Obazee, I want to do America tour. I need people. I want to talk to them. Obazee, I will say, Governor Obazee, come to Florida. I get people for you. Come to Florida. I begin to make up. After Obazee they come. If you get work, before you know, if Obazee will see crowd, you go pass it for America, for Florida, Miami. See where someone put for Obazee. They reach 100. Many other people. Obazee will be this one. Everybody can go. Clear road, you know. Everybody know the whole one. Clear road, Ballon, John. Clear road, whole one. You worry. Don't carry that crown for me. For more than 6 years now. Don't carry that crown since. Don't carry that since. Whole one, Florida. That be. Everybody for here, I'm there, they control them. If I don't dare, don't see this up. Now me they pray, now me they close the country. So I call it sooner for Nigeria, I call it talking here. Even say me myself, I know who react. But what about my friends? My friend will react. Sometimes God for Obaseki, no, you don't fear attack my home. No, you don't fear attack my family. They don't burn you away. Even say I don't react. But what about my friends? They will react. They will react. Before I even know, they don't even react. Before I even know, they don't react. Now so it be. You want to say, no, I'm not trouble. No, they go fight. They will fair go fight. Because they will say injury to one is injury to all. Now they will tell me. No. Injury to one is injury to all. Don't you know that? I'm not going to talk. If I will talk, Rich, the fist slap me. If I say I don't fight or I don't roll, if I will talk, don't begin to dream yourself. If I say I won't forget, injury to one is injury to all. Okay, whatever. Injury to one is injury to all. As he hits you with more fallout or you are our blood, we will fight before you call it come. We will try. We will first go fight first. There you go. There you put weight. The zone. That area, Xavier zone, Melu zone. Everybody zone now they come there. Fine, not tackle. Everybody a boss. Me go push you with stick, everything. Opa, you mad. Not be saying with the black. We get men. We get friends. We don't they carry. We get men. We don't they carry. I don't they call. I don't they call anybody, but they will see my update for Facebook. They will go fight. I'll call reward them later. They'll able to say, now we go on now. Alpha Papa. Now we don't know. Now you, I don't know. You don't let me know. You don't know. Injury to one, injury to all. Alpha. Take this 300K, make it for no. Now that's why they be. I know what tell you, Papa. I know what tell you now. If I tell you the shatters, you know I'm more put. But I also know you go run now. Now so it be. Before we'll let you know. So now we do. So it be. Don't not go area. I was saying they paying for this. I say, man, I don't sacrifice for my life, for my family till I die. For the game when I join, they will fight for me. If something happen to me or my family, they will fight. They will never boss fight. Yeah? Now we say, who they toss no small. They will fight. Who they cause all this? Everybody know. Obaseki is the one I pursue now. The one I take now back. The man not happen that bad. The man know they use our head, they use our brain. Obaseki they tap our brain. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Abba go live video talk like this, boom. Abba will go. Ping pong, ping pong. Abba go live video talk like this, Abba will go. But when appointment will come, he will not give Abba. When good thing will come, he will not give her back. He will give it to somebody else. He will go give it to a friend that is a billionaire. He will not empower one of their daughter or their son. But who fight for him? Obazee. Obaseki will never give her back level. You know who appoint her back. Obaseki never care about career. My brother Obazee took him, you will bag at this time around. Not the war full of Obaseki. I mean, they tell you so. With me on my legs. Why this like done? We might go outside. We might go pee. Obaseki or career away. Umuda Obaseki thing. Sorry. Because very good beer. Very good beer. This beer, the reason why I drink this beer sometimes, very, very good for the liver. Very, very good though. Sometimes beer, sometimes it wash liver. It help. It help well. So that's what it be. Ogon Obaseki. Oba talk by say, Oba na get more. Obaseki want collect more for Oba get mad. Obaseki that Oba with here. Obaseki you not king. You wait to governor. You don't say Oba true. You don't say Oba true. You don't say Oba true. Say Oba go fit it there for more than 1 million years. Oba not come for that place. You don't say you don't know. Governor will call the come on. You don't know. I be don't know. You did a mistake. You want to call Albert, now make go they follow monarch, make go the trauma they give monarch. I mean I don't mind. I feel the game monarchy. Obaseki. You can, who are you to call a trauma the give monarch? I'll where? Who are you? See that or one baby, and I'm your back. I'll what? How person gonna use that poor boy Albert with a fight trouble? You know, secret family. He'll go hide the home for abroad. He gonna use that boy, gonna say that boy, useless message. You know, gonna send the brother so, or send who in your point to. He gonna use that because he want to make a family get problem. That now bad man for Obaseki. Obaseki can never protect our back, can never protect any of him. Nobody. But he will only take to go and be talking on social media, giving him change, peanuts. Peanuts. How much Obaseki they give you? You be my brother. First car when you fair use that time. When would they go? They come and tell you about the first car when you fair buy. How you take buy that car? How you take his hustle suffer buy that car? The next one when you buy, I tell you. Later you can't blow. The money can't long. You can't buy car with the key boys. One time you even buy close to 8 Camry for my present. Different type. Those Camry, they all land like this. And you buy. Not be one, not be two. They all ship and come from abroad. 8 cars. You buy, you put out for cab. That's a GRA. Everybody use Uber. Car maker. Everybody use Uber. You can't acquire some for abroad. Those better Camry. That time Camry they exist. You buy 8 cars Camry for my brother. Different color. You will give all those boys to cab for that GRA for them. That's what time you now buy a truck. Like you can't get like more than 3 to 4 truck. Papa, no truck now, no bike. No those motor again. I don't know. Some of the pay the time go. They say, make that you go. They'll pay you small. You have a good at but the fight they fight. They don't help you. You get good at me no. But me know you get good at but they don't they follow you, they don't help you the fight. Now let you want to leave. Then they pay me. Now they want they will send. But they don't help you when the fight will come. They'll call you only one inside. Where's my free? Hey, I don't want to be away now. In your head, in your head, now they want the fight. If you say you don't follow Governor Obaseki, Papa, for what you want to do now. Plus, you don't be old since you cross. I don't try since now. Don't try since now. Don't try since now. What you call slow? Which is salt? That time we fake get insult. We don't get no insult. Nobody insults my mama. Obaseki cannot give you level back. Move on. This man they use it to the fight. No help you. Leave her, make they go. Make it by yourself. People when you are praised, when they fight for man, make you leave them. Obaseki is a useless person. Obaseki. Wow. Obaseki ora lotime. Era vera gojevera go. To make one testimony about America. There with Facebook. As you put the rant, how you are doing? Una way follow Libya enter abroad. One lese. Why we are black ivie. Era party ni. Ukhna gbe ivie oguna. Wa bro bishwa. Wa gbe. Whether I'm doing in Europe, if you live here, you'll be doing. We are thick for only son. Useless, sticking useless people. You bell and now they who you feel say Mina Kabaka. Kabaka when they so say, if you say Mina Kabaka, you dey crazy. Who Mina Kabaka. Hey, that do here, Bell, give me soon that I don't see that video. They rather everywhere you were, Abu a man. Na barali go carry this one. Era radio wa, era ni stay you wa, era having level wa. Era mani buga de wa. Inya got to level kabo, inya got le. They were wrong. But so all those beer panel where they do all those beer panel where they do live show. But so a man beer panel. You they do live band for your beer panel. 3-4 people back, nobody will go there again and you'll be mad. Because of one thing. I don't know. I wear that band. I'm bit too as well. I wear that band. We are wearing that band. I want to put a somewhere. We are wearing that band. I wear that band again. Uswa wa bell Obaseki. Obaseki will use that band. Obaseki. He don't give Abba level one day. He don't put Abba. He don't give Abba money. Abba come for back for all the old politicians. Now Abba come for pass. Abba don't get money. Now he come for pass. Abba poor wherever for politics. Abba don't make that. Because now Obaseki, now he key Abba career. Abba don't make time for politics because Governor Obaseki, now he key Abba politics. I be able to show you look at Obaseki. No understand. Tomorrow na my girl birthday. I don't be flex so this evening now I want go very soon I will back. Please, I want back my head with my back my head. My hair is of politics just jot it back my head. If I say I'll go outside. Cause my girl birthday now tomorrow. So middle the property. And we dey go party this night too. We want go enjoy it. Also, one carry bother out, one go out, one go eat today, those nights. But she not there, but she also come. And maybe that one, no, we don't date together for the past 7 years. Oh no. For the past 7 years, oh, you know we say we date for the past 7 years. How can they make here? We make a relationship for one man. I just don't reach like 2 to 3 years. Again, no we party. We better get halfway no. But today I don't really popori. We don't date together for more than 7 years. Now you can't know me. All this Abba saga she dey see am. But egg one. You know put the Facebook. Now through my Facebook, now she dey watch Abba. Cause she don't do Facebook, no. Any Facebook. Any Facebook. But she did Instagram. Now she did. But she don't but through me, she did view Abba. This support to talk too much. Oh, the governor even give him some money or something and why? No. Why is he still fighting? I said, I don't know. I don't know. Wait, make I ask somebody. Somebody want to join me. I never asked people before. Wait, make I ask people today. Wait, make I ask somebody. Hey, make I ask somebody today. Hello? Hello? Make I ask somebody. Call. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
How you dey now? Your face not the show. What did happen? Hello? Now what make how they carry people they come oh. Now what make I don't they carry people they come oh. See now they break my line now. See line don't break. Man, obviously, I just say the boy coming. I also make a ask. Speak if you are hearing me, please say yes. May I cut my hair soon? I want to make how they have people. I also make I add this boy now. You want break my line? You feel me so? How if you live it don't be out where you go to as one son. Either if you live it, I don't know do. I we are okay back. Ogun. If you live it, Ogun better pursue. I got better. Wow, Bill. Either then you will talk something like if you live here, to tell you hide for inside anything. Fear don't let people show your face. We say Kabaka. Better what better we have to show. Who are you? The hell are you? Murufiam. Who they call him back? Mubewagmo. I believe if you say I don't get causes for that balance. I be say they don't know who to arrange family for that balance. I be if you say that palace say my cousin brother, they not be shit for them. They my cousin anybody, they not be shit for them. I be say the dog I don't they watch up video. I be say many of my cousin for that palace say most of them are Nash. Who are not know? Where to buy? Buy? You don't know. Now how about you know? When I know how many of my cousins, my brother, family, where they die about palace. There are too many. I don't know. They are not even about the talk. What do you want your advisor to? What can I tell you away? Their way is finish. That's how they going to come, Papa. 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 Now, Papa answer that time. Papa. Now, say don't look cool. Say don't vote. Papa. Middle ya will like to do it. I'm the hope we are doing. All the really fire one. All the fire little one. Because every say don't vote. All the we are doing. All the really wow. All broke my other one. What's the world? Ela vai dar, ela bate o fone na we are you with that. No build my door. Why not do? Ela, who the hell are you? Or somebody will come back. Don't about people say Abba is not your back. No. People on your mat. Nobody is on your back. People say, get out from there. Nonsense. Nobody is on your back. Nobody is on your back. Maybe because saying now, waiting come Obaseki tell Abba, waiting make Abba talk. But make Obaseki talk by himself. Now waiting me they talk. Because now Obaseki, now waiting me they talk Obaseki. Now Obaseki they present Abba 9. Go to all this thing. Go to all this thing. Go to all this thing. Now waiting me they talk Obaseki. But now Obaseki they send Abba message. He saw no power. Go to it. How is no power? Who have more what be for? Who built your back? Nobody build your back. Nobody build your back. Come on, make you best. We are to say what now. As I carrying the mango and more, which made them more. We are finished sport for day. Now be able to carry on the map for it goes. If now go to one as one leg, Make we know the sharp, make we do video. Real men did that place. Men not did that place. Men not did that corner. Real men for Benin not did that place. Now, don't want to do anybody fit one now. Alpha, I want to give you 1K, follow me. Alpha, I want to give you 1K, follow me. Before I will share 100K. Why I don't get 50 boys? Oh yeah, man, I go there. As soon as I go there, why I then they go and do now? Make the record now. Make the cost saga. Now what thing they go do for them? I watched that video. People will follow them. A posto, this one what they call this man, no men don't do that corner. Now no normal boy when they pass say follow me. Real men don't do that. Real men when they do this, they don't do that. Even their boys no even do that. When they pass, oh yeah, come now give you 1K, follow me. I put it go there. Me now they talk now for America last man. Man, not team. Upper me not see. Una when they talk any me love upper pass una. Obe talk this say man. Anything more like you don't anything about upper matter. Don't they cross that corner. Now they talk say oh you upper man yeah oh you back from a month again go pay that with first. Go pay that this way. I want pay that one. Now we talk about go back. Oh go pay that this way. I want pay that one. I want pay that this way. I want pay that. You must try any that even you silly we talk. Be mad. Hey, worry. Wait, which I begin to play for the when people say Jimmy. Pronounce. Well, pronounce you, my pronounce there. I pronounce you all today. Well, pronounce you all today. Well, pronounce you all today. Well, pronounce you all today. I don't know whether to tell you not. Would they sit there well for Facebook? All their faith they group when they all their faces there. Well, I pronounce you all today. All today. I don't know where. No, we never reach like that. Make I quench everything down. If somebody talk, okay, who be there? I need to talk to somebody in the audio back. Oh, God, better do it. I got better one. I got shift. Oh, God, be shift. Go number. Go. I got shift. Oh, God, better do it. Oh, God, be shift. We dey check as okay at normal level say we become for Edo. At normal level, our muna na our oga. Our muna na go area. Why some job? Why they diaspora? Why Guinea? Then when we have Guinea some media. Una for God for be bad. If you live in your kind of way, if you live here, he may come with that. We're not going to talk about you. If you live here, oh, go here, better sweet. I want better one. You need to take now. Oh, now I say, oh, I can't bear what we should have. Oh, I can't bear what we should. Man, dog, like una, upper side and no go area. Nigerian. Upper. If I go be now, I'll go back palace, I'll go push, I'll go enjoy it. I'll go enjoy our flesh. This food, they worry you. Now I can't laugh with this one. If you call at this, you must see after a drink for Palace. Don't tell the other now. If all Palace say as they do it, we'll go Palace, we'll go drink, you'll say drink. We'll the popori for some Palace. How about they do it? Everybody go there. Popori. You are here now. Oh, yeah, better this way. He doesn't know we pay him. Who can power? Who know what? He Facebook now. Una se não está aqui com o Cian. Tô já para. Eu vou dar aí o seu jomba. Oba we dey muna we dey go school. You know carry back talk one day say, "Oh, na, imana ke, o jomba na o matter one day." But what social media? O jomba better good. Me I see you. Imana, era jomba. Don't go so much. Your past sleep fast. Don't go so much. It's a joke. I did. Man, they say, pronounce. No shaking. Pronounce. Hold on. Hold your back. Hold your back. Who there are you to show your back? Wow, someone. Nonsense children. We don't get respect to anybody. I want you to their mind they do. We're not going to two man, they talk. What is the meaning of walking back? Muna pronounce. Muna said it. Unu wa wu pa konu wa bell. You will go expire. If you live here, go back to show. If you live here, you don't feel. I better to show. How? I better. Wow. Bell. How where? If you live here, go here better. I better. This will manage to tell you me. Go here better. What? If you need help you, I can't better find. Go here better. Go here better. He make a every job put the fire now. If you live here, go here better. He makes it away. Any make. It is harassment. Not passing. If you live here, go better. What better? Wow, bell. Who can fear you? Who can beg on my bango? Go can go now. If you live here, who reckon the president? Who are you? And Papa get boys, he get guess. Only one inside could find trouble. What's it concern on his side? Aaron beer, Aaron beer. You work on all your boy, all your children. Now only one they find trouble inside. Boy can we wait? One of you, no, you're actually you can't be. One of you. Everyone is in your wow. Wow, bell. 2 seconds, I don't get one information for us. Now let me transfer this one, you know, before you know, group maybe when a day, I'll put up a kind group. Before 24 hours, they already send me the people I don't say this person I know her. If I don't know her, say so I know and I know the thing. Now me they try to see now say me, what's my brother talking, not too clear. But you're not taking personal. Oh yeah, Obaseki. Obaseki. All supporting. When I'm talking about Obaseki, no, Obaseki now they send her. Yeah, Obaseki. Yeah, how I'm taking them say what? I can't better fire budget price. Who can hold what? Now my house be like house where they go for Nigeria. They mad. My house be like house where they go. You know how I think mad that house. You know what? Muna be careful. Muna be careful. No, I do worry any. Well, be careful. Make a lot of bother area. Because that area not come for many years now. Well, be careful. Because boys go to that area. A boys in the area, they're not going to that area. Now they're telling you all those boys go to that area. What is all those boys? I know they're not going to. Ojamba wa bell a family wa everyone wa everyone is well for Ojamba. A family name Ojamba never in the history of the kingdom. A family name Ojamba. Alternative Ojamba, how bad Ojamba? You know how bad Ojamba? Ojamba. Now I say now people will be say you don't want to listen, you don't hear word, you don't get respect. Obaseki they push up, they do something. If they don't get respect, how bad not be Ojamba? Ojamba. Now I say you don't know how to talk. Now Obaseki they push up. Now Obaseki be Ojamba. Now Obaseki family fair, they start our money way back years ago. Because say Papa betrayed Oba, now forget. Now they send the G now, Obaseki now they do now. Maybe now he they use our part. About your man, about you, don't buy my brother. No good, better what do one. Now, I go better with you. But it's not to your back. No, it's not. Never. It will never be. Never. Never. People should be careful. I want to buy that. Oh, somebody there. As you know, wait, somebody there. I tell you now, Muna not pronounce give anybody talk say now your back. Una really talk. You want to say what? Because on a modern level, I can go down continue your politics, but anything about Obazee, you don't know. I don't know. I can't go down. I'm that one. If everybody come from abroad, now then we go to knock our guns. How bad talk where himself? I don't know. I can't get anything. You don't know. I don't know. We want to tell you. I don't know. You don't know. Muna. Oba talk where he said. Oh no, they talk say come on, go sit down. Obi. Why Billy go? Why all one with door? But not be Obi. But he will talk about it about Muna. Now Obaseki they tell him, I'm saying but you know who trauma. He always say normal level now, normal. A hero. He's a freedom fighter. But nobody they support. I would think he did for his side. Only one and they use it to the career. If he says nobody will join him. I would say P for his side. Nobody. Career and they say, but I was back my from a mat again. He's not an over. Now Obaseki they say go to this one. I tell you so. All those if they need VA when I want to talk here. If you need to we now will like to we now treating it does sakata. If you need to go here with that go with that. The reason that era if you need to era you are. Everywhere you are. Era you are. Abu was war. We are going here at Facebook. Nonsense. I want to go ask them when I get to you. I will talk later. One go party, one go enjoy today for birthday. I will go attend. Tomorrow will not be the birthday. Or today, when you go eat some kind of food. So when you go potpourri, when you go enjoy it. So like this, it's not easy. I don't know enough for more than 7 years. I'm not maybe see that everything that they put on Facebook. My daughter picture when we did my phone, they will reach 100. I only post that. Now just small and they drop. Constant. Show me that lifestyle. I only want to look at it, put my family in the come. Now only one man. Once in the blue mood, I just say, I just put my daughter picture for Facebook. No. Sometimes I don't even like it. Because now that one of my only daughter when I get. But still go to your money when I can get a chop me every 2 weeks. I'm more years for decade for this one. Money when I spend every 2 weeks, I spend close to $500 for decade every 2 weeks, 14 days. Because we are kind of you must go take care. And they work, my man they work. Close to $500. They pay decade every month, and they pay close to $1,000. The decade of your honey. They pay. Calculate $1K every month. Hey, don't be close, oh. Don't be better when I do so recently, oh. Don't be close, oh. Don't want to care. You don't consign food, though. You don't get food, though. You don't get gamble. Picking for abroad, if you bought them, you buy the shoe. They buy the oversized. Before you know, that shoe when you buy 2 months ago, if you put on for leg, you know we'll size them again. You will go back another one. You will go back another one. You say, are they showing around like 2 months ago? Because the leg don't big person. They keep for our body, as they quick grow faster. How they grow? Are your money? Money when they speak without talking, I really make what I would my brother pay star. You know, come, still pay me. Daycare for you. Every week, every for daycare when I wait to America, it's not a lie when I will talk. Every week, 7 days for you. And they pay $250. Then in a week, no, 1 week, and they pay for $250. So 2 weeks, which is 14 days, and they pay $500. 14 days. Oh. Then a month, and they pay $1K for my daughter. Not be my bill, not my for you, not my lifestyle, not my gown, not be your clothes. I don't say, your mama see they try, maybe start some they buy clothes, I see they buy, but must be, now me they chest and call, now me papa. Eh, now me they pay the main block. What's your marriage? Maybe your mother's food, or maybe mother's still buy clothes, but me they buy too. But the main issue for America, they came. Now, so I don't spend this money for her since he don't call this like more than 2 years now. Now, so I go spend, I go pay the money till he reach 16 years. Now, so I will pay $1K for my daughter. That small girl they see for you. I will pay that money $1K every month till he go reach 16 years. He can beside that, I big money. We then know, and I became. So all the money when I call it big, now those how I get. If I that one, my family they will take her. But thank God say I get her. I wish I did do next for king. Now she get her. But if you die, so you don't get children. Because you get many things, your brother they will sell her. No, if your money to do something. But you wait make her, you don't go, you don't go. You know, me so money when they spend that, so I will spend that. So if I don't say I don't do most of them are made. I'm just a joke. I'm going to $1K, $1,000 every month for taking. You don't take clothes, you don't take food they eat, you don't take hair, you don't take normal trade do for children. As you not go for free trip, go there, as when they go they play for this thing, you don't do that kind of person like me like this, you know, fear me. Many come out for America for you, they don't want to go for America, they'll go Nigeria, they'll go born, they'll give one get belay. Because they don't see Nigeria said they don't feel even say they don't pay or take care of their children. Nigeria government don't pay. But for America for you, they mad you smoke it. You smoke it, go. May you born and me not take care of your children. Whether America no will seize your documents, whether they will put you for jail. China, come born for you. Don't leave your picking, not trainer. Whether America no will put you for jail for 6 months. Because you don't train your you don't know. They don't tell you. Most of my clients, they'll call wrong. They only hustle. They'll say, I want to go born for Nigeria. If I born, why my picky don't grow small? I can't come later. I'm gonna forget. The kid when you born for Nigeria, they don't feel smart. Ask them when you born for America. You see that my junior daughter, that small one. Now my first daughter, that be that one. He will grow tomorrow. You can't play. You can't grow. Because now the papa they call us. So as she did so, the kind of brain she gets 2 years old, though, that small girl they read, very smart, very smart. If you that small 2 years old, though, the way he dey do sometimes when they pass, oh your hand now. You know, see that's like he get energy. I don't want to. This one don't think. This one will pass it back. This one will pass it back. So because why? I dey train her. I don't live out with mama. I want to make you know my culture. It only they stay with me all the time. But if I talk about, I will still be me. I'm not saying they will teach us. They speak English now. I'm talking about. Even is who put much in. Because that money, Nigeria currency is $1 million. Not be my own bills, not be my own problem, not be my own project, right? Not be my own family house, the money not there, send money, not be friends, not be clothes, not be shoes, not be food, money wey dey spend every month, e dey reach close to $4,000 wey dey comot for my pocket every month. If 1K or 2K dollars comot for my pocket every month, I go dey thank God. I go say, I no too pay this, I no too money to comot for there o. I go now say I don get house, my bill na don reduce. Before I fit dey there before, but na my house I dey now. So the only money wey dey pay for this house, maybe light bill, water bill, then pay tax, maybe like $50 or something. So maybe light bill, maybe put something or 300. Depends on how I use the lights. Depends. Cause bill dey change. So first, if you get cold weather, depends on America, bill dey change. Light bill dey only change. Not the bill when you get today, you get tomorrow. Let's see the. So money dey come from my pocket close to $4,000. More than that. Every month. Every month. Now that for more than many years. Those are $4K. I don't $4,000 to Nigeria currency. Not be close to 8 million. That they come my pocket every month. My daughter will chop because every week now $250. Then 2 weeks 500. 1 month 1,000 for decade. Una way in America, I don't know what say it also. Now lie on the truth. Una wey get pikin for America, we get pikin wey put on pikin for daycare. Na lie or truth that they talk. So Mona say na lie they talk or na truth that they talk. If you dey America, it not be like America, not be like say you come born, you can't give out to your mama or your mama. No, in papa then they find. In papa, African or Asian. Because if you say if papa will fit train more than you must see, they will come after you. Who down America? Me tell you how much that is. My daughter, that little one, see how much she don't collect from my hand. Billions. Now so now so I go pay till reach 16, 17. Till is the don't begin the work. Then I don't know. I will still pay money because my daughter till we go invest. I was paying because I was still paying at the house. Now my grab that one. But we made as they want to do. And my daughter did that one. If you go to one and say, my papa treating me, my papa carry me go enter school, carry me to university. No, I'm not a judge, I'm not a lawyer. Even that time, I don't really carry what. I thought I was saying, you go to the for we made that deal, but I'm a 15. He carry my name. In the moment, but we made them. We should take you. Don't be those position where they carry when they come out. They'll try to come America, they'll come buy an house for them. They call you to car. The same thing. America only do say, I want to go born for Nigeria. Because you want to born for Nigeria, because you don't want to pay responsibility. Or yes, so they need cost. I will make up on yes, so I born. Because picking where you train for year, then they go school one. You don't go born for Nigeria. You don't want to take responsibility for America. First of all, this kind of school, the kind of sense where your daughter will get. This kind of school where my child and the day now, not the same level it be. And if I don't speak English, your child when you go for Nigeria, you don't know where they talk. If I don't write, the one where you teach for Nigeria, if you don't know, for here for abroad, that computer, everything that is done, I started teach them for school. If I don't carry my daughter like this for decade, if I enter the normal small pikin 2 years old, if I enter that daycare room, I'll see computer everywhere because I'm impressed. If they talk, I will record that one. I get record when she talk. Very smart daughter. Me ask if I go to that daycare, go carry her for school. If I see the computer where in day, it's like the say, hey, you must say I spend money. The money that they spend, he bought them. He bought them. Because one thing when they see for this room, computer everywhere. Small picking, as a teacher, different thing. One name the mama, then he be Nigeria. He may suffer. So this my brother said, now king, now make people can they hustle. So if now gold, money where they collect from my hand, where they baba. But so they give me a go. I'm married. If you say you don't take care of your children from America, America cannot be Europe. American government, they will come find for us. They will first give you money, say, me, take care of your children. If they'll come arrest you for us, yes. They'll call you police to arrest you. They'll go put you for a jail. Because say you don't take care of your children, yes. You as a father will come arrest you for us. They don't go arrest your mom, no. Nah, you come. So what I can tell skeptical, we don't do this now for many years now. And obviously I did talk up or to make people know how it goes. Me no say about now get children now for UK. All those children now, I don't say that big. I don't say that money as they go school. I don't say that money about Obazee, my brother. You feel the listen and say some Obazee they insult you, but forget that level, no level. Where I talk, say Obaseki na useless person. Who da Obaseki? Back and forth, no Obaseki. Obaseki no fear you one day, boss. Forget. If you want help you, for don't help you since. For don't help you since. See now everybody say, okay, about your back. No worry, wait tell your back. Oh, go on, better issue. Who build your back? Nobody build your back. Area of your back, one, go on, blow back, but you are. Nobody build your back, my brother. I may tell you so. Overall, I hold your back. But when you hear me out, no, we'll talk about nothing. No, not for that. Don't your policy go. No mention nothing. He more, make a romance and use the man talk with the apple. He get live video. Obaseki get page. Obaseki will live video with telling more. Obaseki will live video the Google. Obaseki live video. Don't the send that boy into fire. Obaseki. No, they put out there for problem. Obaseki, you don't help about.